In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Zoom Immersive View. This feature can transform your regular Zoom meetings into something more interactive and visually engaging, allowing participants to gather in a single virtual background, making the whole experience feel like you're sharing the same space. A great tool for educators, teams, or anyone looking to add a special touch to their virtual meetings. To get started, once you're in a meeting on Zoom, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice a grid icon. It might seem small and easily missed, but this is your gateway to a more immersive meeting experience. Click on that grid icon. Doing so will open up a new set of options for you to explore. From the list that appears, you want to find and select the Immersive View option. Selecting this will prompt Zoom to transition your meeting layout from the standard gallery or speaker view to something a bit more dynamic. Think of Immersive View as placing all your meeting participants in a shared virtual space, making interactions feel more engaging. Whether you're hosting a classroom lecture, a team brainstorming session, or a book club meeting, this change can enhance the atmosphere significantly. Now, once you've selected Immersive View, the next step is to click Start. Just a simple click here will set everything into motion. Once activated, Zoom will automatically arrange participants into a single scene that you can choose, whether it's a coffee shop, an auditorium, or any other available virtual background. While Zoom does handle much of the placement and arrangement for you, feel free to make manual adjustments if you prefer your participants positioned differently. Remember, while Immersive View can host multiple participants at once, do check your Zoom version as this feature is best experienced in the most recent software updates. Make sure that your internet connection is stable and to encourage your meeting participants to do the same. This ensures a smooth experience for everyone involved. Immersive View is about adding a fresh dynamic to your meetings, fostering a sense of togetherness even when you're miles apart. That's it. You've now enabled Immersive View on Zoom. Take advantage of this function to create meetings that feel more connected and memorable. Step away from the mundane and embrace the new possibilities that come with this exciting feature. Thanks for watching, and happy Zooming!